From the very beginning of us planning this entire photo workshop, I really have been trying to envision what it's going to be like to actually be there in Chicago with all of you guys. And I don't know, I just keep on getting the feeling that I'm just gonna be laughing and smiling the entire time. Like when you have a whole bunch of your friends together and you have so much in common that you can't help but have fun. That's what I feel like Chicago is going to be like, and I cannot wait. So let me tell you how all this came about. My friend Joe, aka Focus on the Story, sent me an email and asked me if I would be interested in doing travel workshops. And of course I said yes. I've been a photographer for over 9 years, and I've been teaching and mentoring photographers all around the world for a majority of that time as well. Joe has hosted other travel workshops all around the world, so I knew that he would be the perfect person to do this with. He has all the travel experience, knows what to do, knows how to handle all these situations, and all I had to do was pick the place to go. So I picked Chicago. So why did I pick Chicago? Because that city has so much of everything that I love to photograph. It has architecture, it has cityscapes, but it also has beaches, and it also has the Chicago River. It also has so many street photo opportunities. It has a well-lit city so that we can take some awesome night shots. It is just an awesome city where I know we will be able to photograph so much. So what are you gonna get out of this workshop? Obviously, I'll show you some Lightroom and Photoshop tricks, give you some composition ideas, and maybe you can learn how to use your camera a little bit better. But I really hope that you come out of this workshop learning to see things a little bit differently and learning how to appreciate just all the beauty around you. And we are going to do this by daily photo excursions, but also group discussions and one-on-one photo critiques. I think that all of us coming together in a group will all learn from each other and support each other. And that's just why I think I'm going to be laughing and smiling the entire time, because we'll all just be doing what we love. All I ask is for you to show up with an open mind and an empty memory card. All information will be linked below, and thank you so much. See you in Chicago.